Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about plus 3 third semester political science honors core paper 5 Unit-4 themes of comparative politics some important short questions. So चलिए शुरू करते हैं. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, the USA president is the head of dash. Answer state and government. Question number 2, the president of USA is elected by dash. Answer through an electoral college elected by the people of all USA states. Question number 3, what is the strength of USA Congress? Answer 535. Question number 4, the USA Senate is the dash of all the states of USA Federation. Answer symbols of equality. Question number 5, according to dash USA president in a colossus with the feet of clay. Answer Brogon. Question number 6, USA president has all dash of the federal government of the USA. Answer executive power. Question number 7, when the Senate sits as the court of impeachment of USA president, it is presided over by dash. Answer Chief Justice of Supreme Court. Question number 8, the USA state is a dash because it has an dash head of the state. The USA state is a republic because it has an elected head of the state. Question number 9, USA president is theoretically dash elected, but in actual process his election has become dash. Answer USA president is theoretically indirectly elected, but in actual process his election has become directly. Question number 10, House of Representatives is dash by the people for a term of dash. Answer, House of the Representatives is directly elected by the people for a term of 2 years. Question number 11, the term of senators are dash. Answer 6 years. Question number 12, dash is the quasi-permanent house. Answer Senate. Question number 13, to become the elected president of USA, a citizen has to enjoy dash type of citizenship of USA. Answer natural born. Question number 14, the federal legislature of USA is called dash. Answer Congress. Question number 15, the USA Senate enjoys special power over the dash and dash. Answer appointment and raticide. Question number 16, the USA Senate has been the dash in the world, powerful second chamber in the world. Question number 17, the Supreme Court is court of dash in USA, final appeal. Question number 18, the USA has dash judicial system. Answer two-tier judicial system. Question number 19, the dash is the apex court of USA country. Answer Supreme Court of USA. Question number 20, America Constitution has dash articles. Answer 7 articles. Question number 21, in case of vacancy in the USA president, who occupies the post? Answer Vice President of USA. The question number 22, the USA Supreme Court conduct a judicial review of a law when dash any law changed in a case before. Question before the court. Question number 23, there are dash number of court appeals in USA Federation. Answer 11. सो अगर हमारा ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और फिर मिलेंगे और एक न्यू वीडियो के साथ.